So we'll connect it. As you can see that my you can see the head that it didn't. Oh, that's how it looks, and it's not supposed to look like that. You can see it's working and moving. So we're gonna fix that right now. So let's go back to Blender. This was how was it this one? No, it was this. Okay. So in order to fix this, we're gonna change the rotation of our okay. So let's go back to object mode. Then let's change the rotation. So your monkey is supposed to rotate with the ball, so it should move with the ball. Okay, cool. And now select your let's just parent the eyes with the bone as well. Let's select the eye, then the bone. Right click, parent, bone. There we go. Do the same for the other eye. And now your eye should move with the bone as well. Okay. Also try to put your positions all back together. So the position of the ball should all be 0, 0, 0, 0 at the beginning. So is your Mikey head. The rotation is supposed to be 0, 0, 0. Doesn't matter, the rest doesn't really matter. Okay, as long as it's the position. Okay, so let's rotate this ball to negative 90 degrees. That should look like this. And now we want to make that the default position. For this, we'll go to object and then apply all transform. And you can see that this is called now the normal default position of the ball. As we turn off to 0 again. But now we want to, where we want to export it, we want it to have the head looking forward. So we're gonna put 90 degrees. That way in Unity it will look like this instead. While we export it. So now let's export it again. And let's final edit 0 2, I suppose. It's never the final edit, isn't it? And then we could also do a save increment. So we won't have to do this again. And now let's go back to Unity. This is where we want to add it. So let's add that one. Let's go to monkey, find out it. That's why it's also a good idea to check if everything works before you do the hard part. So before adding the eyes as well. Okay. So now let's make it into a prefab. Oh no, wait, let's add it into the sim. Let's position it correctly. Cool. And we also need to add some skin, which we're gonna do in Unity as well. So go. Just convert this into a prefab. Click on the prefab, add it in your kit face actor. Then let's just copy the previous face actor and put it into the folder number 10. Let's click on the prefab again. Let's add this monkey. And since this rig has the same stuff, we could just change the okay, that looks good. Disconnect it. And now that we know that it's working, we could now position it in the right location. We could also get rid of this monkey to avoid confusion. Just position this monkey in the Alright, I hope this works to fix your orientation problem in Unity. If you're doing the head tutorial, then you could delete the previous monkey head and start over by exporting this head and adding it, then add the eyes and the skin. I hope this was useful. Until next time.